Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
फर्स्ट वैक्सीनेशन का मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप कोविड एप्रोप्रिएट बिहेवियर को फॉलो नहीं करेंगे। मास्क आप हमेशा लगाए रखेंगे, जो डिस्टेंस आप मेंटेन करते थे वो भी, ठीक है।
As India gets ready to conduct what is being called the world's largest immunization drive, the vaccine dry run is being conducted across the nation today, and we're at one such site here in the national capital at GTB Hospital in Shadra. Now we're inside the hospital, and we're just going to try and give you, take you inside to sort of show what the entire process will entail. Remember, this is actually just a dry run to sort of help the expert committees as well as the health facilities understand if there are any gaps between the implementation and the planning. About 25 health workers at the 3 sites in Delhi will be administered the vaccine, so to say. As we see when we enter, this is the first room, the waiting room, where people will actually come, enroll themselves with the civil defense volunteer waiting here to ensure that the people who were selected for the process are let in, and then they wait here in the observation room. Following this, we take them in, the people move in. This is where they will speak to the data entry operator and help identify themselves, enter their details here so as to ensure that all the data, the details are maintained. Post this, they've also actually marked, there are indicators on the floor to ensure that social distancing is maintained. Post this is actually the vaccination room. There will be a team of about 5 people from each district comprising of vaccination officers, civil defense volunteers, as well as the ANM who will actually be administrating the vaccine to the test beneficiary. This is just to sort of give you a roundup of what it will look like. There are also those blue boxes are somewhat what the storage boxes will be like, in which the vaccine will be transported from the spot and administered to people here. The person who's been administered the vaccine will be asked to wait here in the observation room for exactly half an hour. This is the observation room, and as we see, the vaccination officers will be sort of guiding us the way out. And if all goes well and if there is no sort of issue faced, then the person will be asked to vacate the area from here. I would also like to tell our viewers that in case there is some sort of emergency or discomfort that occurs, then there are district level AEFI committees that have been constituted, which are adverse effect following immunization teams, where ambulances and other such doctors, medical officers will be stationed close to the session sites where the vaccination drive will be carried out, so as to help people who might encounter any sort of difficulty or medical emergency during this process. So this is roughly to give you an idea as to what the process entails. Remember, today is just a dry run. It's a mock drill of sorts, if I may say, for the health facilities and the expert committees to understand if the preparation is as per the plan. And in case there are any gaps, review meetings will be held between the union government officials as well as state government officials to sort of address those gaps and look into those. My colleague Angana is also stationed at one more site in Dwarka, who will be bringing you more details.
Thanks, Anisha. I'm currently in Venkateshwar Hospital, a private hospital in southwest Delhi's Dwarka, which has been chosen as one of the sites for the COVID-19 vaccine dry run. As you can see, a section of this hospital has been cordoned off and divided into 3 areas, as was explained before, the V1, V2, V3 areas, starting from the waiting area, the vaccination area, as well as the observation area behind me, where individuals are being made to sit and wait for 30 minutes, being kept under observation for any adverse effects of the vaccine. Here I have with me Kirna Garg, who's a staff nurse nurse at the hospital and chosen as one of the 25 beneficiaries who is participating in the dry run right now. Kirna is also a vaccinator who will be taking part in the vaccination exercise and be administering the vaccine. Welcome to the show. Can you tell me a little bit about what was explained to you before the dry run and what you feel? How did the dry run process go for you? What was your experience?
सबसे पहले तो मैं आई थी अंदर, जब मेरा उन्होंने लिस्ट में देखा कि मैं रजिस्टर हूँ कि नहीं हूँ, मेरा एक आईडी प्रूफ देखा, फिर उसके बाद मुझे इन्होंने वेटिंग लॉन्च में बिठा दिया। फिर जैसे लिस्ट में नाम आ रहे थे उसके अकॉर्डिंग ये अंदर बुला रहे थे, तो अंदर भी फिर से मुझे एक देखा उन्होंने, मेरा नाम वगैरह सब कुछ देखा, मेरा आईडी प्रूफ देखा, फिर उसके बाद वैक्सीन लगा। तो उन्होंने मुझे सारा एक्सप्लेन किया कि 28 डेज़ के बाद मुझे एक फिर मैसेज आएगा, उसमें मुझे मेरा नाम वगैरह सब कुछ जो जहाँ पे मुझे लगेगा वो सारा आएगा। अब उसके बाद मुझे यहाँ पे बिठाया गया है ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए, ताकि कोई मुझे दिक्कत ना आए।
तो कोई दिक्कत हुई, कोई चैलेंजेस हुए इसके दौरान?
मुझे तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ जैसा कि देखा जाए, और बोला जाए अगर हेजिटेशन वगैरह कुछ है, लोगों को में यही डर है ना कि साइड इफ़ेक्ट वगैरह के लेके, लेकिन हर मेडिसिन का साइड इफ़ेक्ट होता है, ज़रूरी नहीं कि इसका हो ना हो, किसी को हो भी सकता है, मे भी नहीं भी हो सकता है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है इसका।
Dry run is I think the first stage where we can identify some lacunas that exist, but definitely we won't be able to identify all, and a vaccination of this scale maybe requires a lot more. So dry run is a good exercise, but let's see, maybe we will have to run more dry runs, so in order to make sure that we are really prepared for it.
मेन चैलेंज तो यही है कि हमने पहले बेनिफिशरीज को पोर्टल में सबको लेकर, क्योंकि हमारे जो गवर्नमेंट के भी हैं, प्राइवेट भी हैं, और उसके साथ साथ हमारे जो फ्रंट लाइन वर्कर हैं, हमने उन्हें कोविन एप्लीकेशन में अपलोड किया है। तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा हैं, हमारे डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ही अभी 17,000 से ऊपर ये बेनिफिशियरी अपलोड हो चुके हैं।
Basically, Delhi Health Minister and Union Health Minister visited. They were satisfied with the arrangements. We have identified 25 beneficiaries for the dry run, and then our team is also in place. Our team consists of 5 vaccination officers, 4 vaccination officers, 1 vaccinator. So there is a waiting area. They will come and wait in the waiting area, and then we will check the details, registration details. Only pre-registered people can enter and get the vaccination. So after checking the registration details at the front desk, they will come to vaccination officer 2, in which the details will be checked in CoWIN, and then he will proceed to vaccination room. In the vaccination room, vaccination will be given. Here we didn't give the actual vaccination. Every other process we have done it properly, and then he will come back. We will note the time, CoWIN updation will happen. Then they will come to this observation area where our vaccination officer is there, and they will explain the procedure. Social distancing has to be followed when the next dosage will be there. Then after 30 minutes monitoring, if there are minor any adverse event, that will be handled at this center level only. We have the emergency kit, and we have prepared the observation room also. And if there is any major adverse event, we have tied up with the hospital, and ambulance will come and necessary action will be taken. After 30 minutes, they will proceed out. So for the entire process, it's taking around 5 to 6 minutes for each one. So accordingly, we have made all the arrangements.
Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan, who visited GTB Hospital as well as the Urban Primary Health Clinic at Daryaganj, appealed to people repeatedly to not pay heed to rumours in this regard.
मेरा देश के लोगों को ये अपील है कि किसी भी अफवाह में ना जाएं। भारत की सरकार प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में सारे देश के लोगों को कोविड से हर प्रकार की प्रक्रिया के माध्यम से सुरक्षित रखना चाहती है। वैक्सीन का डेवलपमेंट भी उसी प्रक्रिया में से एक प्रक्रिया है, और शायद सबसे प्राइम हम लोगों का क्राइटेरिया अगर है तो वैक्सीन के ट्रायल्स में वो सेफ्टी है, एफिकेसी है, उसकी इम्यूनोजेनिसिटी है, और इनमें से किसी भी चीज़ के ऊपर कोई कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं है। ये अनुभव पहले भी आया है जब भी बड़े वैक्सीनेशन के प्रोग्राम्स हुए। मैं देश वालों को याद दिलाना चाहता हूं कि पोलियो इम्यूनाइजेशन में भी बहुत सारी इस तरह की अफवाहों को फैलाया गया था, लेकिन धीरे धीरे देश के हर व्यक्ति को ये जो भी अफवाह से पीड़ित होने की संभावना थी, उनको रियलाइज़ हुआ कि भाई बच्चों को अगर अपंग और अपाहिज होने से बचाना है तो ये पोलियो की वैक्सीन लेना ज़रूरी है। और वैक्सीन सबने ली और उसके बाद भारत जो है आज दुनिया में WHO से सर्टिफाइड पोलियो फ्री नेशन है। सर्टिफिकेशन मिले हुए भी 6 साल हो गए और आखिरी केस हम लोगों ने 2011 में देखा था, 13 जनवरी को देखा था हावड़ा के अंदर। इसलिए देशवासियों से अपील है कि ये वैक्सीन आपके स्वास्थ्य की रक्षा के लिए है, इसके बारे में कोई भी किसी प्रकार के भी अपने माइंड में मिसकंसेप्शंस ना बनाए।
With Angana Chakrabarti, Suraj Bhisht and Manisha Mondal, this is Anisha Bedi reporting for The Print.